An annual maintenance shutdown typically lasts from 5 to 10 days and eats up to 1/3 of the mill's maintenance budget. Besides, there are always risks involved that may either cause additional costs or delay in startup. Valmet's systematic and structured approach to shutdown supports planning so that risk can be minimized and the planned tasks can be accomplished on time and on budget. The target is to support maintenance planning effectively. In practice, this means Valmet will recommend the needed spare parts for a certain maintenance scope, will clarify spare part needs so that we can optimize the use of inventory for Valmet and customer. The benefits of Valmet's shutdown planning approach are the right parts at the right place at the right time, optimize freights and deliveries, reducing costs, and emergency purchases are typically eliminated. The key to a successful shutdown lies in its planning and scheduling ahead. Valmet has developed a clock with the major steps that support successful shutdown planning. Let me walk you through them. Our process begins with close coordination between Valmet and your maintenance and production teams. We work together to understand the scope of the shutdown and identify the tasks ahead. Based on this collaboration, Valmet creates a recommended spare parts list tailored to your needs. We optimize warehouse use and recommend improvement parts versions, all aimed at reducing your workload and minimizing risks. Once agreements are finalized, Valmet springs into action, sourcing and manufacturing each item with precision. Our global supply chain ensures timely delivery with consolidated packages to optimize logistic costs. The results speak for themselves. Timely availability of the right parts means reduced downtime and minimized emergency purchases. But our commitment doesn't end there. After each shutdown, we sit down with you to gather feedback and identify areas for improvement. It's all part of the continuous improvement process, ensuring that each shutdown is more efficient than the last. The shutdown planning cycle should repeat itself. Valmet and customer can then build a track record of continuous improvement, resulting in more efficient use of spare parts. So trust Valmet to keep your maintenance operation running smoothly.